To make these peacock feathers, you can use any kind of yarn that you like. I'm going to use a 100% cotton worsted. I'm going to use yellow, pink, and turquoise. And I'm working with a 4.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch to join. And that will make a ring. Chain 1. Make 4 single crochet in the ring. To make a single crochet, insert the hook, pick up the yarn, and then pick up the yarn and pull it through. So that's 2, 3, and 4. Now make 1 half double crochet. To make a half double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert it through the stitch or the space, pick up the yarn and pull it through, and you'll have 3 on your hook. And then you pick up the yarn and pull it through all 3 loops. So 2 half double crochet. 1 double crochet. To make a double crochet, start the same as a half double, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Now I'm going to make 3 triple crochet. To make a triple crochet, yarn around the hook 2 times. And then insert, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. And I'm going to make 2 more triple crochet. Now 1 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, and then 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then slip stitch to join in that first single crochet. Fasten off. In the fasten off stitch, pull in the pink yarn and lock it in. And I'm going to make a single crochet in that same stitch. And then single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm going to alternate 2 single crochet, 1, 2, 1, all the way around, but in the last 4 stitches I'm going to just make 1 single crochet. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So that's 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 in this one, and then 1, and then 1 in the last 4 stitches. Last one, and slip stitch into that first single crochet. And because I'm making a bookmark, I'm going to chain a cord that's approximately 6 inches long, like that, and then fasten off. Okay, now I'm going to count 4 stitches from this tail, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to insert my hook in that stitch and pull in the blue, and chain 1, and single crochet in that same stitch. Now there are the 3 triple crochet. When I get to this stitch, I'm going to make a picot. So you can mark that stitch by just pulling in a different color yarn. So 1 single crochet in each stitch up to that marked stitch. Okay, I'm at my marked stitch. I'm going to make a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and another single crochet in that same stitch. And now I'm going to single crochet around, and I'm going to leave the last 4 stitches not worked into. So this will be the last stitch that I work into. So I'm just going to go ahead and single crochet over to there. Like that. and fasten off. Now I'm going to thread the yarn end into a needle and weave these yarn ends back up into the work. Okay, I have all my yarn ends woven in. Now I'm going to make a small tassel. I'm going to wind the yarn around 3 fingers. Pass a piece of yarn through the loops and tie a knot. And I'm going to cut open the loops like that. Take another piece of yarn, tie it around the top like that, and then pass these threads down inside. And now I'm going to bring it to the end of my bookmark and tie a knot. And then weave that yarn end down inside the tassel as well. And there you go, there's a cute peacock feather bookmark. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.